the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, Xiaomi's latest offering that's about to send shockwaves through the smartphone world. You're in for a ride as we dissect every aspect of this mid-range marvel. So without further ado, let's dive right in and find out if it's the best phone that Xiaomi has ever produced. At first, let's focus on the display. A 6.67-inch OLED beauty with a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. Trust me, it's sharp, it's colorful, and even under direct sunlight, it shines like a supernova. That curvature, though, may not be everyone's cup of tea. A flat screen is more like that cozy blanket we all love, but hey, it's not a deal-breaker by any means. And nope, no fancy glass back here. It's a textured synthetic leather back that feels sturdy and non-slippery. Good news for the clumsy ones amongst us. Now let's talk software. Xiaomi's MIUI 14 based on Android 13. And guess what? It's practically bloatware-free. This ROM is fully bilingual, Chinese and English. But here's the kicker, no French or Spanish and other languages. You'll have to wait for the global version, which I hope comes soon. This bad boy is packing the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chip with 12 GB of RAM. Multitasking, smooth, no lag, no slowdown. Just a phone that gets stuff done. While we're at it, a shout out to the OLED screen that supports Dolby Vision. If it's Netflix time though, you're locked to full HD no Dolby Vision for now. A quick note on the bezels. They're all right, not paper thin, but that's forgivable for a mid-range champ. Do you prefer flat screens over curved ones? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Camera time. That 200-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization. Let's be honest, it's a star. 4K video at 30 FPS, what's not to love? But brace yourself. Here's where Xiaomi throws us a curveball. That 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro? Don't even get me started. They should have left them in the parts bin. Ultra-wide quality? Well, let's just say it's not going to win any awards. But the primary sensor can capture some fantastic shot. The dual-tone LED flash gives it a distinctive look too. Back to build quality, folks. 8.9mm thick, which is quite all right. No antenna lines in sight. The frame is plastic but feels incredibly robust, and with those buttons and ports, it's got all the bases covered. Good old IR transmitter? Check. And inside that USB-C port, you'll spot a little black detail that outs the plastic frame. No glass on the back, thankfully. It's one less thing to worry about when gravity decides to play its games. Software performance? Top-notch. It's running at 120 frames per second, perfectly in sync with the 120Hz refresh rate. No jitters, no lags, no issues. You've got control over the display refresh rate, 60Hz or 120Hz. The color scheme is adjustable, which is a plus, and even under direct sunlight, this screen won't disappoint. That color shifting, though, it's a little off-putting. A little chat about call quality, no issues here. Active noise cancellation's on board, and the haptics are just right. A little buzz that's not overdone. Now, the loudspeakers, there's one at the bottom and one at the top. Volume, solid. Quality, well, it's decent, but don't expect booming bass. Let's dive into performance, and here's where the phone really shines. Playing demanding games like Genshin Impact? It's a piece of cake for the Dimensity 7200 Ultra with 12 GB of RAM. Expect a minor stutter when loading new areas, but overall, it's all smooth sailing. The chipset runs cool, and there's no overheating in sight. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of any smartphone, its battery. The Xiaomi Note 13 Pro Plus is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery that ensures exceptional longevity. With typical daily use, this smartphone easily powers through an entire day, even under demanding conditions like gaming and media streaming. The real-world battery life is quite impressive, though individual experiences may vary based on usage. When it's time to recharge, the included 120-watt charger offers rapid top-ups, although it might not quite reach the claimed 19-minute full charge. In conclusion, Xiaomi's mid-range contender presents an impressive package with its stunning display, powerful performance, and a capable camera setup led by the 200-megapixel star. The battery life is commendable, and fast charging adds to its appeal. Sure, there are some drawbacks, like the underwhelming ultra-wide and macro cameras and potential 5G limitations in certain areas. But for roughly $330, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers a compelling deal that's hard to resist. Thanks for being with us on this tech journey. Stay tuned and subscribe to the Tech Critic for more exciting tech reviews. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, take care.